So, may surprise daw siya. Let's see kung ano yan. Mapapanood yan?
Hello there in America, Ma'am Elaine. Thank you sa opportunity na isa ako sa taong magbibigay sa'yo ng birthday message para sa iyong kaarawan ngayong buwan. Wish you good health, Ma'am, and enjoy your stay na kasama ang iyong mahal na asawa dyan sa Amerika. Maiksi man yung panahon at oras na nakasama ka namin sa DepEd, pero yung short time at pagkakataon na nakasama ka namin is will last forever in our hearts. Yung moment na nakasama ka namin. Thank you, and God bless you always, Ma'am. Have a blessed and prosperous birthday. Stay beautiful and sweet as you are always. God bless, Ma'am, and again, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Elaine. Naway maging masaya at makabuluhan ang iyong espesyal na araw. Naway patuloy kang pagpalain ng Panginoon, bigyan ng kalakasan, karunungan at kasiyahan sa iyong buhay. Stay happy and blessed, Ma'am. Happy birthday!
Hello, Be. Happy birthday. More blessings to come. Always good health. At saka, lagi kayong mag-iingat yan ni Sir M. I miss you.
Hi, Be. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Bebe. I miss you so much. Tandaan mo na hindi pa rin nagbago yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Hindi pa rin nagbago yung friendship natin. Mula nung college, kahit na hindi tayo palaging magka-chat, tandaan mo na nandito lang ako. I miss you. Sana magkita tayo pag nakauwi kayo. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ma'am Elaine. Kumusta ka na? Ayan, you are really blessed not only on your special day but of course every day of your life. Always remember, Ma'am Elaine, that you are made fearfully and wonderfully by God. And so today, as you celebrate your birthday, your very special day, I am praying that God will give you more favor and of course enjoy your stay with your husband. Always remember na alam mo sobrang mapagmahal ang iyong asawa, no? So keep up your marriage and build up a great family together with your husband. Happy birthday, Ma'am Elaine, and of course stay beautiful as you are, not just outside but also inside, and always be an asset. Alam mo, the first time that I met you in San Fermin Elementary School, I already had a very great feeling na ikaw yung taong very positive, and of course ikaw yung taong totoo. Alam mo yon, napaka-caring mo, and of course, you always say yes to everything. So, continue to bloom where you are planted by the Lord. Nasa ang lugar ka man ngayon, wherever you are, I know you are doing great, and hoping na magka-baby na kayo, ano? Ayan, so stay happy as you are. Again, happy birthday, Ma'am Elaine. God bless!
Hi, Sir Elaine. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. I know na masaya ka dyan kasi kasama mo si husband mo. I miss you so much, Sir. Miss ko na yung kape natin together. Anyway, enjoy your day, Sir. Happy birthday. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Bye!
Hello po, Teacher Elaine. I just wanted to tell you, happy birthday! I miss you and I love you so much. Thank you for teaching me in grade 1 that all those lessons that we have done, I might have forgotten it, but trust me, I still remember a lot. and I also remember a lot of you. Have a nice birthday and always stay safe. Mwah.
Hi Elaine, happy birthday. Enjoy your stay in the US. Happy birthday, more years of cheers. Happy birthday.
Hi Elaine, happy birthday Elaine. Wishing you the best of life with Mario. So expecting a baby soon. Happy birthday, we love you.
Happy birthday, Mom Elaine! We wish you all the best! We miss you! Five!
Yay! Happy birthday naman sa napakagandang pokelya na yan. Ano, surprise ka ba? Si Consul na bumati sa'yo Joke lang. Anyway, happy birthday! Miss na miss ka na namin ni Darling. Kaya ulit tayo magkakasama. Anyway, ang message ko lang sa'yo is nagpapasalamat kami kay Lord dahil nakilala namin ang isang Elaine katulad mo. Elaine na napakaganda, Elaine na napakabait. Alam mo yun, hindi ko akalain na magiging ganun kalalim yung friendship natin kasi ilang years pa lang naman tayo nagkasama, di ba? Ayan, hindi, ano yun? Hindi ko na sasabihin ko. Dahil joke lang. Alam ko naman na super blessed ka. And i-bless ka pa ni Lord lalo kasi napakabait mo. And deserve mo lahat kung ano man yung mga meron sa'yo ngayon.
Hi, kabayan! Happy birthday! Oh, greetings from the other side of the world. Hi! Gulat ka? Gulat din kami. I know you're having the best time of your life there with your husband. I know naman na super happy mo dyan, na pinag-pray mo talaga kung nasan ka man ngayon. And always remember na lagi ka rin nasa prayers namin. And also, I have a gift for you. Gift daw.
What's that?
Letter.
I letter.
Dahil hindi ko pa may bibigay sa'yo, I will keep it muna and maybe I will give it to you. Sana ma-appreciate mo tong letter. I will read it to you. So, here it is. Hear me out. Sana ma-touch ka dito. Sige. To my dear Elaine, happy birthday. May this special day be as amazing as you are. I just want to take this time to remind you na sobrang thankful ako na nakilala kita, kayo ni Ma'am Lay. I truly believe we're meant to find each other one way or another. The friendship that we have with Ate Lay is one of those things people call one in a million. Nanalo sa loto. Biruin mo, hindi pa tayo ganun katatagal magkakilala, pero boom, wala eh. We're really meant to know each other talaga. Siguro parang nga tayo sa isa't isa, mga kapukelya. The way we connect and bring balance to each other's life is really something. Gustong-gusto ko tuwing pinapayuhan mo kami. Hindi lang tayo puro chismis, syempre. I love how you share the words of God to us. You and Ate Lay is one of my biggest supporter. And you two are my soul sisters and my sisters from another mama. Sa ayaw at sa gusto nyo ni Ma'am Lay, magkakaibigan tayo forever and ever na ito. Walang bawian. I'm here for you. Always. Always. You and Ate Lay is always in my prayers. That's it. Happy birthday. I love you. Eat more cakes for me, ha? Bye. I love you.
Lai, happy birthday, Lai. More blessings to come. Wish you all the best. Ingat kayo palagi dyan ni Mar. Tis-tis lang yan sa journey mo dyan. Ingat kayo palagi. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate. Thanks for everything, for all the love and support. I love you always and we miss you.
Happy birthday po, Ate Lai. Ingat po kayo palagi ni Sir Mar. God bless you po.
Lai, happy birthday, Lai. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Ingat kayo lagi ni Bayaw dyan. Mag-focus ka muna sa karir mo. Huwag mo kami masyadong isipin dito kasi ayos na ayos naman kami dito. Hintayin ka namin dito sa Pinasalay. Makakuwi ka rin. Happy 27th birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Hello, Lai. Happy birthday. Best wishes sa'yo. Good luck sa career mo. Mag-ingat kayo palagi dyan. Mahal na mahal kita, Lai. Happy birthday. Miss you.
Happy birthday, anak ko. Mag-ingat ka palagi. May God continue to bless you. We miss you and see you soon. Always take care of yourself. There.
1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday! We love you and we miss you.
Hi Do! Happy birthday! Thank you for 13 years of friendship, and I'm so blessed to have you as my best friend in my life. And please know that I'm so happy and proud sa lahat ng achievements mo at sa mga darating pang mga achievements mo. Namiss ko na yung mangga and karaoke with Silam and syempre with Chismisan. Huwag ka na namang iiyak. May Almighty God guard and guide you always whenever and wherever you are. I miss you and I love you. See you soon!
Hi, Lane! Ano na te? Bike na lang, ganon. Shot na ba ulit? Shot na. Tapos mag-energy gap. Ano ba yan? Oh, enjoy na enjoy ka dyan sa USA! Oo naman, siguro enjoy na enjoy ka dyan. Yung lamig, yung mga tanawin, di ba? Ang ganda. Pero sana, I hope soon, magkita din tayo dito o siguro somewhere. Bilis ng panahon, di ba? Kailan lang nung college tayo, kung saan-saan tayo napapadpad, kung saan-saan tayo kumakain, ng pansit, magtra-tricycle, kanya-kanya tayo ng mga ngayon. Tapos ngayon, kinasal ka na. Alam mo, nung araw na yun, nalaman ko na kinasal ka na. Oh my God! Elaine, why? I was so happy. I was so happy by that time and I was like, oh my God, Elaine. Yung emosyon ko, sobrang saya. Umiiyak ako, ganun. Pero ngayon, I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. So, enjoy your days. Enjoy everything you have in this world. And always pray to God. And God will bless you. God will bless us all sa lahat ng mga pagsubok natin. Okay? So, I need to go to my work. Okay, so I hope I will see you guys. I love you so much. Nami-miss na kita. Bye, Papa. Bye, love you.
Hello, Teacher Elaine. Happy birthday. I wish nothing but the best for you. And I miss you. Ingat kayo palagi ng Mr. mo. Sana soon magkaroon na din kayo ng baby. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Hi, Teacher Elaine. Happy birthday. And first of all, sobrang happy ko para sa'yo na hindi na umabot ng 1 year para magkasama kayo ni Sir Mario. Ang galing lang ni God, how He work into your life. And yun, kahit malayo kayo, I pray that God will continue to grow your faith. Hindi lang ikaw, kasama si Sir Mario. And alam ko that Sir Mario will help you, He will lead you, He will guide you para mag-strengthen pa yung faith mo at mag-grow ka pa. Yan, Teacher Elaine, you are a blessing to us. You are a blessing here in the Philippines sa mga students and other teachers. And I believe that God will continue to use you to become a blessing kahit saan ka man nadalihin. And yun, I pray that God will strengthen you each day, protect you always from any harm, from any danger, from any sickness. And kung ano man yung mga pinagpipray mo, bigay mo lang din talaga lahat kay God. I know that He listens and He answers those prayers and na mga pinapanalangin nyo. And yun, I pray also that God will continue to make you a better person, a better wife na gusto niya para sa iyo. And ayun, I hope na ma-enjoy mo tong day na to, tong day mo, ma-enjoy mo yung life mo there in US. Ayun, I love you, Teacher Elaine, and na-miss ka na din namin. May God bless you abundantly and happy birthday again.
Thank you, Joy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Teacher Elaine. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Teacher Elaine. What else I could wish for you? Wala na kasi nasa iyo na ang lahat. But I wish you all the best in life. I wish that all your dreams will come true. I wish na sana lagi kang healthy with your husband at lagi kang happy. Stay safe. See you soon. You will always have a special place in our hearts. We love you and we hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Teacher Elaine! Dalangin ko na sana laging payapa at maligaya ang puso mo.
Wish ko na sana maabot mo lahat ng pangarap mo at yung desires ng heart mo, Cher. See you soon!
Hi, Aling! Happy birthday! So, pasensya na nakawas ako, inuubo kasi ang lola mo. Salamat sa mga pagkakataon na tayo ay nagkita. Saya-saya lang. Miss na kita, sana mag-vlog ulit tayo. Lalong-lalo na kapag nalulutang ka, dun kami sumasaya. Charot lang. Sana mag-enjoy ka dyan sa Amerika. Enjoy mo yung buhay mo. I wish for your good health and everything. I love you and I miss you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Teacher Elaine. God bless you.
Hello, Elaine. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday from across the miles. Even though you are in US now, you are still very much a part of our hearts and memories here. Minsan nga biniro kita, nagkita tayo sa district office. Baka naman aalis ka na rin at sundan mo si Sir Mario sa US. Sabi mo, never sir, gusto ko dito sa Pilipinas. Andaya mo ha, ilang saglit lang nandyan ka na pala sa US. Anyway, happy ako, kami na yung mga kasama sa school at magkasama na kayo ni Sir Mario. Salamat at hindi ka nakakalimot. May this special day bring you joy, success, and all the happiness you deserve. We miss you and I hope to celebrate together with your family, my family someday. Enjoy your day to the fullest. Happy birthday again and God bless.
Happy birthday ti kapipintasan ng gayim ko. Yen Santos. Happy birthday, Elaine. I love you. Ingat palagi.
Hello, Ning. Happy 27th birthday, Ning. Wish you a good health and long life. God bless you always. Happy ako para sa'yo dahil andyan ka na. So, ingat kayo palagi ni Mara dyan. Namimiss ko yung banding nating lahat. Sana andito ka. Pero okay lang dahil andyan ka na kay Mar. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Mahal kita.
Allah! Niremake nila! Oh my... Oh. Si Justin.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Elaine. I just wanted to say thank you for teaching us. Thank you for the patience and being a second mother. Hindi ka po namin makakalimutan at hindi po namin makakalimutan ang pagmamahal niyo sa amin.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Elaine. I just want to say that I'm thankful you're always before me. And I promise that I study hard for my dreams. I am grateful that you have taught us good manners.
Happy birthday sa ma'am namin hindi tumatanda. Goes to Ma'am Elaine. I'm Diana po. Hi Ma'am Elaine. It's been a while since I last see you. I miss you so much, Ma'am. I hope you're doing well po kasi kami po ayos na ayos lang. I miss how you treat us, how you treat me as like your own family. You treat us fair and square kahit ang bukulit at ang gugulo namin. You handle us very well, Ma'am. I have so many lessons that I've learned from you, Ma'am. Hindi lang pang-school ang lesson, pati sa pang-araw-araw. You taught us to be strong and kind and independent. Now po nasa UK ka na, kung alam mo lang po, nung nalaman namin, we're so happy and very proud. Keep it up, Ma'am. Stay there and be strong as always. I'll pray for you. We will pray for your success and health. Happy birthday. Birthday, Ma'am Elaine. Enjoy your day and keep safe and keep healthy and sana magkita po tayo ulit and thank you for teaching us. Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Elaine. Sana po magkita-kita tayo ulit soon and sana mag-bonding tayo ulit na magkakasama tayo. Grade 4 reunion kumbaga. And sana po magkakasama tayo ulit and mag-celebrate tayo sana soon ng magkakasama. We love you and we miss you, Ma'am Elaine.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Elaine. We miss you and more birthdays to come. We love you, Ma'am Elaine.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Elaine. Sana magkita pa po tayo. Happy birthday po. I miss you and I love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Elaine. Sana po bumalik ka na po dito. Tulungan po kami ulit. Tapos pasailin niyo po ulit kami. Bumalik ka na po sana dito.
Ay, si Ma'am Leslie.
Magkita ka na natin. Ingat po kayo palagi. We love you.
Ay, Ipin!
Happy birthday, Ate Lai. More birthday to come. God bless. Ingat ka po kami.